Today, we're diving into an exciting gardening adventure: how to grow cucumbers vertically. This method not only saves space, but also promotes healthier plants and bigger yields. Let's embark on this vertical journey together. Firstly, let's understand why vertical gardening might be a great choice for you. Growing cucumbers vertically allows for better air circulation, which reduces the risk of diseases. It also makes it easier to spot and manage pests. Plus, it keeps your cucumbers off the ground, reducing the chance of rot and making them easier to pick. To start, choose a variety of cucumbers suited for vertical growing, preferably vining types rather than bush types. Ensure you have a strong support structure, such as a trellis, fence, or strong netting. The structure should be at least 6 feet tall to accommodate the full growth of the plants. Next, let's talk about planting. Plant your cucumber seeds or seedlings near the base of your chosen support, spacing them about 6 inches apart if you're using a trellis or similar structure. The ideal time to plant is after the last frost date in your area, in soil that's rich, well-draining, and warmed up to at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, on to training your cucumbers to climb. As they grow, gently guide the vines onto your support structure. You may need to tie the young plants loosely to the support with soft ties. Be patient. Once they latch on, they'll start to climb naturally. Watering is crucial in vertical gardening. Cucumbers need consistent moisture, especially during fruit formation. However, be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels dry. Feeding your vertical cucumbers is also essential. Use a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer every 4-6 weeks, or consider composting for a more organic approach. Cucumbers are heavy feeders, so keeping them well-nourished will lead to a bountiful harvest. Regularly check your plants as they grow. Remove any diseased or dead foliage, and keep an eye out for pests. Vertical gardening makes these tasks easier as everything is more visible and accessible. In conclusion, growing cucumbers vertically is an efficient, healthy, and fun way to garden. It's a method that can yield fantastic results with a bit of preparation, care, and attention. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, vertical gardening can add a new dimension to your gardening practice. Thank you for watching. Embracing vertical gardening can not only enhance your gardening experience, but also turn small spaces into lush, productive areas. Happy vertical gardening!